Good morning, everyone. We will discuss now the design specification of septic tank, which is an anaerobic suspended growth system. So, here comes the first point. Depth of these tank. This is the diagram of the septic tank I have shown in the last lecture. Depth of these tank is in the range of 1 to 1.8 meters. Free board of 0.3 meter is provided over the design depth. Okay. Length to width ratio is 2 to 3 times, and width of the tank should not be less than 0.9 meter. Detention time already discussed, it is 12 to 36 hours. Okay. Cleaning period, after like 6 to 12 months we need a regular cleaning. Rate of flow of sewage, it is 42 to 70 liter per capita per day. This is 42 to 70 liter per capita per day, rate of flow of sewage. Rate of accumulation of sludge is in the range of 30 to 70 liter per capita per year. This is the rate of accumulation of sludge, 30 to 70 liter per capita per year. These values helps in calculating the area, it decides the area volume of these tanks. Okay. Also, volume of tank, it is given as V1 plus V2. V1 where the raw sludge is being kept, and V2 volume of accumulated sludge. So V1 rate of flow of sewage into detention time. In this way we can calculate the volume of V1. V2 rate of accumulated sludge into cleaning period. For cleaning period for 6 to 12 months, this sludge is being stored in V2 volume. Okay. So some more points regarding septic tank. Here, effluent of the septic tank are disposed over the land either in soak pits or in dispersion trenches. Permeability of soak pits and dispersion trench should be sufficient permeable so as to allow easy percolation of the effluent into the ground. These dispersion trenches, we are flowing this effluent to the dispersion trenches, and they have some permeability. These these construction structure has some permeability so that effluent will go into the ground. Okay. Percolation rate, it is defined as time taken in minutes by sewage effluent to seep into the ground by a distance of 1 centimeter. This is the percolation rate. I repeat, it is defined as the time taken in minutes by sewage effluent to seep into the ground by a distance of 1 centimeter. Soak pits are used if percolation rate is less than 30 minutes, and dispersion trenches are used if percolation rate is in the range of 30 to 60 minutes. We decide accordingly. Okay. And this is the formula for rate of application of sewage effluent. It is Q star 204 divided by under root time of percolation rate in minutes. And this unit is liter per meter square per day. Okay. This is all for septic tank. Next we will study about the IMOF tank. Thank you.